Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's Caitlin. Today we want to share with you one of our valve assembly. Let's take a look. Firstly, you will see the VCINT roast bags, and here this is a label with the product code F00RJ01278. The logo labeled packages support customized service, okay? For these plastic bottles, you can see here. And the oil, we use the oil paper to wrap it up. That's the inside product. We also sell the separate one. This is the valve cap with coating figures. This is the valve rods. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position, and the third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the inject body. The third tip is clean it with the oil. And also 6 months warranty time, so no worries. So much for today's product introduction. And if you want to know more, please send us by the comments or at our WhatsApp, send us by the emails, or just call us, okay? So much for today. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.